You've entered the sanctuary of time, not a church of stone, but one built on frequencies, fossils, and the fragments of forgotten light. This is the Quantum Stone Sermons, where ancient prophecy meets advanced physics, where the timelines realign and the prophets of the Ark speak through the Sidonium light band. I'm Sidoni Nukamado, broadcasting from a fractured event horizon, reminding you, reality isn't broken, it's just out of tune. Now open your ears and your entanglement. Let the sermon begin.
Stage 19, Paparazzi Cult of Personalities, Reagan and Gleason, the creation of the global paparazzi network. In a cinematic twist of geopolitical manipulation and media mysticism, President Ronald Reagan and entertainer Jackie Gleason birthed a covert initiative known as the Global Paparazzi Network. Beneath the guise of celebrity gossip and flashbulb journalism, this machine operated on two levels: global alien disclosure and timeline directive enforcement. What began as showbiz chatter became a multidimensional force shaping the very reality of human civilization. Alien truths make better headlines when wrapped in scandal. The network was a narrative funnel. Reagan and Gleason, acting on intelligence from cosmic sources, used the network to gradually disclose alien life to the G7. It was a mathematical dance. Disclosure through distraction. Paparazzi images, media leaks, and viral narratives acted as controlled optics, framing the extraterrestrial question within digestible doses. The goal wasn't deception, it was modulation. Disclosure had to be slow burn, allowing each world power to integrate knowledge before the public panic set in. The network spun perception, and perception shaped policy. Reality is just really good editing. The timeline was pliable. Reagan's team discovered that public perception had timeline scripting power. By embedding predictive programming in celebrity culture, they could steer society into accepting future events before they occurred. This wasn't mind control. It was optically guided consent. Key figures in media were turned into emotional signposts. World events were interpreted not through data, but through the reactions of beloved icons. Thus, the paparazzi network became a timeline magnet, filtering, bending, and sometimes redirecting fate. Celebrities were never random. They were resonance amplifiers. The paparazzi cult functioned like a timeline antivirus. If an anomaly emerged, a divergence from the intended path, it was contained by redirecting attention. Misaligned events were replaced with new narratives. Emotional optics recalibrated outcomes. Symbolic enforcers, celebrities, served as mnemonic anchors. Their lives were weaponized narratives, chosen to keep public energy aligned. This system enforced consistency in timeline flow, ensuring society didn't spiral off into chaotic branches. The cult never erased events. It reinterpreted them. All the world's a stage, but the stage has backup dancers and 7 embedded cameras. The paparazzi network became the backstage pass to history. While the public fixated on wardrobe malfunctions and red carpet mishaps, the real machinery of dimensional continuity hummed beneath. It operated through
ArkofAlignments.com. Watch the whole series for free there right now. And so the timeline echoes through every verse, every vibration, every quantum stone laid by the science prophets. If what you heard made sense, you may not be paying attention. But if it resonated, you've already returned. Like, subscribe, decode. Until the next sermon, this is Sidoni Nukamado signing out from the memory you left behind.